Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do trick shots on the top of the microwave. So let's get right. If you want to talk.
We're still gonna do a water bomb thing on the ground after.
Yeah, so we'll get right into it. Okay guys, we're back. We zoomed it in so you can have a better picture. I don't want to be in the way of it. We're trying. Please subscribe if you're new. I'm really close to it. I made it. Dang it. I need to let go of it here.
I'm better.
I keep making them. It keeps falling. I don't like it. Need to know. Sorry for bad guys. Here.
I'll made it again.
Here, let's have a better view.
Oh, wow, that's bright.
Yeah, that's way better. Way better for the viewers.
Oh, I made it again. Oh,
nice!
Let's do it at the same time. Ready? Ready?
Oh, I made it!
I would have made that.
Wait, okay. We need to practice this on this and then make another video. And then just show you guys how good we are doing it. I made it again!
Okay, ready?
Nice.
Challenge yourself to do it on your microwave.
Yeah, if you have water bottles, try to do it on your microwave. If you have a microwave, then do it on your microwave.
Fill it up to here, then.
Right? Yeah, right there. I fill
it up too high. It won't really.
Oh man.
Oh, did you see that? It's like, and then it fell.
Really, you're like right. You're kind of in the camera, but I don't want to hit the microwave. Sorry for bad guys. We made it a couple times.
I'm making a lot of.
Okay guys, we're gonna end that there. We don't want it so long.
Wait, we need to do the floor. Okay. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Let's make like 5 shots. 5 bottle clips. We're like so good at it now. Zoom out. Go check out my friend's channel for Jackson Place. He has a yellow coat. I made 3 already, I think. Pretty sure. I don't know why I'm not making it.
You guys try to count how many bottle flips we do.
I don't want to not doing it good right now. Almost hit me in the head. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, guys, we're gonna end that there. One more bottle flip.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.
And make sure to subscribe and like if you think.
End of the video.
Good at it. Bye.